Hey everybody, we're going to start here with a new document, and we're going to insert the image that you took. So first thing you have to do is start a sketch, pick a plane. I would just pick the front plane, and then you need to insert your image. So you would have taken this image with a camera or got it scanned down in the office, and then you can uh, save it to your computer and then access that file from your computer. So up here you're going to insert an image from the drop down menu, and there won't be images in there, so you have to import it from your computer. Find that file on your computer. It's probably going to be in your downloads folder. Okay, then you're going to click on it, and you're going to essentially draw a rectangle onto your plane. Okay, so just like you would draw any other rectangle, right now that rectangle contains your scanned picture. So this is a picture of a sketch I did in my engineering notebook, and the first thing you need to do is scale it so that it actually matches. So you're just going to get the line tool, and here I drew mine on grid paper, and I know each one of these squares is a centimeter. Okay, if you want to take your picture with a ruler in it, you can use the ruler for this, but then you're going to take that line and tell it that it's whatever length you measured. So for me it's 4 centimeters because there's 4 squares on that line. And what this does is it scales the image that you inserted to match the actual size of what you drew on your paper. Okay, otherwise, when you have your 3D file, it's not necessarily going to be exactly the same size. And then you can just go in and you can trace your sketch with all of the drawing tools, circles, squares, lines, whatever you need to do it. And then you're going to extrude it into a 2D plus a little bit shape to make your keychain.